Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken sausage salad right in your own kitchen. It's a fantastic meal that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is washed and chopped. Then, we'll whip up a simple, flavorful dressing to bring all those wonderful tastes together. Get ready for a truly delightful culinary experience. Now, let's get our chicken sausage ready. If your sausage is already cooked, simply slice it into nice, even half-inch rounds. You can then sauté these pieces in a pan with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they're beautifully golden brown. Another great option is to bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 10 minutes. This step adds a wonderful texture and flavor to our salad. With our sausage perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. In a large bowl, combine all your fresh, chopped vegetables like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and cool cucumbers. Next, gently add the warm, flavorful chicken sausage slices to the mix. Finally, generously drizzle your homemade dressing over everything. This is where all the flavors start to meld together beautifully, creating a truly inviting dish. To finish, give your salad a gentle toss to ensure every single ingredient is perfectly coated with that delicious dressing. For the absolute best experience, serve your chicken sausage salad immediately while the sausage is still warm and the vegetables are crisp. Feel free to get creative and customize it with your favorite toppings, perhaps some crumbled feta cheese or a sprinkle of toasted nuts. Enjoy your fantastic homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.